Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of floating video call not working on Messenger. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. But many of the videos on YouTube are showing to turn on the option display or in picture, something like that. But I will show you one and only way that can help you. You have to just tap and hold the Messenger application, then you will get a app info button, tap on it. This will lead you to this interface. Now you have to go to the notification options and make sure you allow all the notification like show badges, banner, play sound, vibrate, all the notifications. So there are so many options, you have to just turn all the things. Then go to the permission and make sure you allow all the permissions from here. After that you have to go to the storage and cache option at last, and you have to clear the cache, and if you have to check it if it works or not. If it's not working, then you have to clear the storage. But before that, make sure you remember the password and username of your Messenger, because you have to re-log in into Messenger account. Then you have to go to the Play Store and make sure your Messenger is updated. If it is not updated, then you have to update it to the latest version. After that you can re-log in into your Messenger, and hopefully there will be no problem. Still, if there is any problem, you can just uninstall it and install it. Hopefully this time there will be no problem. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.